Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am gonna take mathematics class for class 2, and our today's topic is division part 2. Very last one you have already learned about part 1, and today's lecture is 28 and our HW is 25. You have to submit HW 25 on the next Saturday on campus. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Look here, number 1, 45 divide 5. 45 divide 5. You know that the times table of 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. So here 45 divide 5, it will be 9, and the answer is answer is 9. Now my dear students, go to the next one. 35 divided by 5. 35 divided 5. My dear students, you know that times table of 5, it will be 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. So 35 divided 5, it will be 7, and the answer is 7. Now the question number 3 is 36 divide 6. 36 divided 6. Do you know the times table of 6? Yes, the times table of 6. From times table of 6, we know that 6 6 are 36. 6 are 36. So here it will be 6 are 36. Now subtract 36 from 36, it will be 0. So the answer is here quotient 6 and remainder 0. Now my dear students, go to the next one. 81 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9. Do you know the times table of 9? 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. So here it will be 9 and 9 nines are 81. Now subtract 81 from 81, it will be 0. So the answer will be quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. Now question 5. 24 divided by 8. Do you know the times tables of 8? Yes, 8 threes are, we know that 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. So here it will be 3 and here it is 24. 8 threes are 24. Now subtract 24 from 24, it will be 0. So the answer is quotient 3 and remainder is 0. My dear students, hope you understood this class. Practice at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.